I'll show you how to beat the sapper in this economy in 40 seconds by selling digital products.
Really?
Yes, but I need you to promise that you will share this video and give me a follow if it's worth it.
No problem at all.
This is simple, but you actually need to try it out to see results.
You're loud and clear.
Now, I'm not talking about affiliate marketing or selling someone else's product. I mean getting digital products for free and selling them at will.
Impossible.
It's not. A digital product is anything of value that someone cannot touch. Examples of these are courses, diet plans, content calendars, etc. But for this system to work, you would need a product, a way to get people to see the product, which is traffic, and a way to convince people to buy, which is your lead magnet or sales pitch.
This is all starting to make sense.
To create a diet plan, which is the product for instance, go to ChatGPT and type create a diet plan for potential diabetics under 40 to help them avoid diabetes, and copy and paste your results on a Word document and set a price for it in your mind. You need people to see your product, therefore you can use one of two means: paid and organic or free traffic. Paid sources could be Facebook or Instagram ads, and free sources could be Instagram or Facebook groups. But for getting people to buy, you need to give them a good reason, which is where the lead magnet comes in. Simple step would be to go to ChatGPT and write, list the top 10 reasons why people develop diabetes at a young age and how a healthy diet is key to avoiding it. At the end of the write-up, you simply want to recommend your diet plan created earlier, like so, and providing them your WhatsApp link to get in contact with you to get this.
Smart.
But the last and most crucial part is you have to post the content. Nothing will happen if you don't take action. Then simply send the Word document to anyone that contacts you to buy. Follow Kelvin Waye, Mr. Blue, for more value.